In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily search for YouTube channel using YouTube mobile application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube mobile app and then tap right here at that search icon. Then just enter your search request. It can be birds, just for example. What that will do, that will show us all the videos about that particular topic. However, if we would like to search for channels, we need to tap at these three dots, select search filters, and then select channel. Then if we go back to search results, we can find that now it shows us the channels which includes our search request in the channel's name. That's how we can easily search for YouTube channel.